It's going to take a while ago to just bring up the flavor. Maggi chicken logo. Alright. Some steamed callaloo. Carrot. Just dice up the carrot, put the carrot inside, and some onion, scallion, thyme, garlics. You know your herbal seasoning already, and then your all-purpose and make a dash on it. And a country pepper. And just turn on the stove very steam very slowly, right? We don't throw water upon color to make it cook. Steam by itself and cook. This color will go in with dumpling. Banana and dumpling and pepper and pumpkin. So the color will and the food fire. The banana. And the pumpkin. I set up a dish. You will see next complete dish. It's going to take a while ago to just bring up the flavor. Maggi chicken logo. And so, see, steaming itself. Yeah, made in the flour now, I'm cooking dumpling, banana and pumpkin. Yellow yam. Okay guys, that's yellow yam and dumpling in the pot right now. The banana and the pumpkin one side. The pumpkin very soft. Look one eat the fish can again for it. I'm gonna catch you. This. Eh? Kitchen now, I put the cook under the kitchen. Get down in the kitchen, clean and I cook. This look what I better cook.
Can I close the pot?
Huh? Yeah, the pumpkin and the dumpling, the banana. Yeah, everything in this pot now, so it's just cooking now. Yeah. So just give it the time, give some time. Yeah. And just a nice do what is best now. We'll have to clean up back to the kitchen.
Yes guys, so anyway guys, Mr. Good is cooking banana, yellow yam, dumpling, and also pumpkin. So over here you have callaloo mixed with chicken doodle. Yeah guys, and right. Wait, it boil? Pear is sweet and you can't waste the pear, you know. Yeah man.
Eating these 2 pear. Yeah. Right there.